Tinnitus, here's what you need to know. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. Write down everything you eat for a whole week in a journal. Also, keep track of when you experience tinnitus and note the severity of the attack. If you write down this information, you may see a pattern and learn which foods cause your tinnitus. The more you can learn to avoid tinnitus triggers, the better you will feel. Bring up your tinnitus to your doctor at your next yearly physical exam and ask to be referred to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. An ENT can look into the cause of your tinnitus, which is vital, if you are going to find a way to treat it. Try and remember when your tinnitus first appeared. Determine if you started taking a prescription medication around the same time. Many prescriptions have tinnitus as a side effect. By not longer taking medicines that have these side effects, your problems with tinnitus may cease. If you are able to, and always under the guidance of your physician, try to stop taking your pills one at a time, for a week at a time. You just might find some relief for your tinnitus. Instead of attending a football game at a bar, or in person, watch the game at your house. Keep the volume adjusted so you can hear it, but not so that it is overly loud. If you view the game in your own home, you have control over how loud it becomes in the room, which helps keep your tinnitus from flaring up. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.